What's up, way warriors? What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back. It is your girl Viana's Beauty, and today, guys, I'm here to enlighten you, my beautiful weight warriors, about the upcoming November weight loss challenge. Okay, so if you're new to my page, if you're new to my profile, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. This is your girl Viana's Beauty. I create content around beauty and around weight loss and fitness. So I have an upcoming challenge which usually is free, but this one you have to register with a small sum. Don't be alarmed, it's nothing too extraordinary. If you're out of my country, Cameroon, the fee is 10 euros. Like if you're in US, in dollars, it's about 10 $15. So you can register. This is a great time to get motivated and to stay disciplined. What are the things you should expect from this upcoming challenge? So I've created a WhatsApp group. The classes will take place through WhatsApp group, and in this group we'll be having a daily follow-up. That it's difficult to stay disciplined, but when you know that there's somebody on your neck, what did you eat today, show me what you ate today, that way you will know that you're on track. And in this 1 month, 4 weeks, you'll be able to track your progress and know how much weight you can lose if you stay disciplined, motivated, and consistent. Yeah, so in this group we'll have a daily follow-up. We will be providing meal plans. I'm not working alone, I have like a few admins with me. We'll be providing meal plans. We'll also be giving weight loss lessons, because honestly, weight loss is not something that you can lose and it goes forever. If you lose weight loss and you go back to your old habits, that weight loss, that weight is going to come back double. So there's no point having this knowledge of the things you can do. You can always walk your way around. Let's be honest, it's not easy to say you will stay on this particular diet. It's not easy to say I'll never eat chocolate. It's not easy to say I'll never eat bread. But once you start eating those things and you discover that your weight is coming back, you can always go back to the things you did before to lose the weight. That is why now I cannot really go back to 120 kg regardless if I'm having a baby or not. You understand? Because I have the weight loss knowledge. I know how to walk my way around weight loss. You get the idea. So that's the those are some of the things we'll be doing in this our weight loss class. Like I'll be giving weight loss lessons, weight loss things you can do to keep weight away. If you're at the maintenance stage like me, I'm at the maintenance stage, and sometimes honestly it's even more difficult to maintain than even to lose the weight. You get the point? So why don't you join this class? Come on board. We'll be so happy to have you. So far very few people have registered, and we are starting on the 8th of June through YouTube, WhatsApp, almost said YouTube, through WhatsApp. We'll be so happy to have you around. Share this video so that we can have as many people as possible on board. The more we are, the better. We can be motivating each other, because in this group we'll also be posting our meals. Like if there's something wrong with it, if it's too much, I'll tell you that it's too much. If it's less, because you need a particular amount of calories to make sure that you're on the healthy side. And I just want to emphasize that we're not only trying to lose weight, we're trying to look healthy and beautiful as well. We're trying to form our bodies to the shape that we kind of like, you know, fantasize, because I know everybody loves to have an hourglass figure. If you don't want to have an hourglass figure, then in fact my channel is not for you. Okay, that my channel is not for you. So come on board. I'll also be telling you tips or things that you can be taking to help melt fat, especially belly fats. Okay, so guys, come on board. If you don't want to win, yes, I didn't talk about the price. Imagine you winning a prize to lose weight. Who does that? Who does that apart from Viana's Beauty? Yeah, you will be registering a small fee, but so far we've not had a number of people that can make up for the price. So obviously I'll be topping the price up. You are coming on board to lose weight, that is the highest price, and then to gain 50,000 francs. In my currency is francs. If you convert to US dollars, that should give you about roughly $100. So yeah, I know some people, this is nothing compared to how much they make or what the the earn, but just it's a great way to stay motivated, you know. If you tell yourself, my eyes are on the prize, I have to get that cash prize, you will see that you will stay disciplined, you'll stay motivated, and you'll be consistent in what you do. Even after the challenge is finished, you'll just like remember everything that we learned during this challenge. I just want to tell you something about myself. Honestly, I didn't really start losing weight till I joined such a class. It was the challenge I joined at that time. They were not giving any prize, okay, but it kind of like made me stay motivated. My game changed, like I stepped up my game when I had to register with a weight loss coach. Now I don't like talking about registering with weight loss coaches because people don't like to spend money, especially us Africans, especially where I come from. If it's free, the group is full. If it's free, last time I had a weight loss challenge and it was free, like we even had to like create other groups because we had exceeded the number. But when you start saying that register with money, people don't want to register. It's not actually that it's true, it takes time. It takes time. Like I'm constantly on my phone answering people's questions. People be asking me, what can I eat? This thing I want to eat. I want to eat pear. Is it advisable? I want to eat butter. Is it advisable? It takes time. It takes energy to put in this work. That's why if you have ever contacted a weight loss coach, like to do a personal training, it costs a lot. I don't even want to tell you how much I paid, but this one is just a small registration fee that you have to chip in to just like tell me that you will be serious. Because the first time I was giving out a cash prize for first, second and third, it was a free class. People didn't register with nothing, but that isn't just working for me because people come and fill the group and very few people will be active. Okay, so if you're serious about losing weight, if you're serious about being healthy eating, I really advise you to join this challenge, this June challenge. This is the second challenge of the year, and I decided to step it up, like to really give the lessons and everything. I'll be investing so much time in it, so come on board. It doesn't matter where you are, you can lose weight. Okay, I'll end the video right here and I will see you on the 8th of June. Love you, bye.